Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Listen, where we learn how English is actually used in newspapers and real life.
Yes, and today's topic is very important, very practical, vocabulary related to accidents, the kind of language we see in newspapers and also use in daily conversation. You know, Arvind, newspapers never write accident news casually. The vocabulary is very specific and controlled. Absolutely. And if we understand these words, accident-related news suddenly becomes very clear. No confusion, no guessing. Let's start with the most basic word, accident. In newspapers, instead of repeating accident, you'll often see mishap. Yes, a road mishap claimed 2 lives. Here, mishap simply means an unfortunate accident. Now, another very common newspaper verb is rammed. Right, the truck rammed into a bus. Rammed means hit with great force, much stronger than just hit. Now let's talk about injuries. Newspapers often say sustained injuries. Yes, the driver sustained serious injuries. Here, sustained means suffered or received. In normal English, we might simply say he was badly injured. Another phrase we see a lot is escaped unhurt. That's a very newspaper-style expression. It means the person was safe without injuries even after a serious accident. Now a serious word, fatal. Yes, the accident proved fatal. Fatal means causing death. Newspapers prefer this word instead of directly saying killed. Linked to that is the phrase claimed lives. For example, the collision claimed 3 lives. This sounds formal and emotionally controlled, typical newspaper language. Let's move to collision-related words. Collision itself is very common. Yes, a head-on collision occurred between 2 vehicles. A head-on collision means vehicles hit each other from opposite directions. Another important word is skidded. The car skidded off the road. Skidded means slid uncontrollably, usually due to rain, oil, or sudden braking. Now let's talk about causes. A frequent phrase is due to overspeeding. Yes, the accident occurred due to overspeeding. In simple terms, driving too fast. Another common cause mentioned is negligence. The accident was caused by driver negligence. Negligence means lack of proper care or attention. Now a very exam-friendly phrase, lost control of the vehicle. That means the driver could not manage steering or braking properly. In normal English, we might say he couldn't control the vehicle. Rescue-related vocabulary is also important. Rescue operations were launched. Here, launched means started officially and seriously. Newspapers love verbs like launched, carried out, intensified. Another phrase, rushed to hospital. Yes, the injured were rushed to a nearby hospital. It means taken quickly for emergency treatment. Let's talk about investigation language. Police registered a case. That means police officially recorded the incident. You may also see a probe has been ordered. Another important word, eyewitness. An eyewitness is someone who saw the accident happen. Newspapers often say, according to eyewitnesses. Now a very polite but serious phrase, succumbed to injuries. Yes, the victim succumbed to injuries at the hospital. It means the person died later due to injuries, not immediately. So newspapers say fatal mishap. But in daily English, we say a deadly accident. They say sustained injuries. We say got injured. They say claimed lives. We say people died. Today we covered words like mishap, rammed, fatal, collision, negligence, skidded, and phrases like escaped unhurt, rushed to hospital, succumbed to injuries. If you read accident news carefully, this vocabulary becomes automatic. And once it becomes automatic, your comprehension and exam answers improve naturally. This is Let's Listen. Keep listening, keep learning, stay safe.